Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp sound problem. If you're experiencing sound problem in WhatsApp such as not hearing incoming message, notifications or voice messages, you can try the following steps to fix it. First, you need to check your device's volume. Make sure that the volume on your device is turned up and not muted. Also check the volume setting within the WhatsApp as well. And you could also try pressing the WhatsApp app, go to the app information and look out for the notification is allowed. We could see if it's not allowed like this, simply toggle off the option like this. And you could also try restarting your device. Sometime a simple restart can fix various software issues, including sound problems. You need to check your WhatsApp setting, or you could also try updating your WhatsApp. Go to Play Store and in the search icon on the top, tap over there and look out for the WhatsApp. And make sure you are using the latest version of the WhatsApp. Updates often contain bug fixes and improvements. And if none of the above steps work, try uninstalling the WhatsApp app and reinstall back again. This can resolve more complex issue within the app, and if the problem persists after trying the steps, there may be more significant issue with your device or the app itself. In that case, you may need to contact WhatsApp support or seek further assistance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.